Hi, so how to import a contact list into Salesforce? I'm working on this quick project, so I'm doing this myself and I want to quickly show you step by step how you can do it as well in case you need to upload the contact list to Salesforce. So first, in the top right corner, click on the setup. On the left side under quick find, click data import and click on data import wizard. So click on launch wizard. And now we are looking for accounts and contacts, add new records, and now we need to pick the file. In terms of files, you need to prepare the files first. So it has to have a first name, last name, household name, or organization name, because you need to match it with the account. Then email and lead source, it's not required. It's important for me in the organization, so I will add lead source as well. Household created is a last name plus name household. So I type in =, contaminate, then I put this last name, then comma, semicolon, space, household, semicolon, close quotation, and I can pull it down for all the contacts. Okay. So now we have that, and last step, I need to add lead source. Okay, so now we have all information: first name, last name, household name, or in your case, it might be organization name, email, and lead source, which is optional for you. So I will export this file, export to CSV, save. Okay, now in this wizard, I click on the CSV, choose a file, click this file, which I just saved. On the right side, I click next. So now it has all information except my household name, which is unmapped. So you need to map this unmapped field. You click on the map, and now you need to find which you are mapping. And in my case, it's an account name. I know I put household name, but actually it's account name. I click map. So now we click next, click start import, and down below, you will see the status of your import. You can just refresh. It should not take a lot of time. Okay, so after I refresh, as you can see, 235 records processed, 5 failed. I think that's why, because I did not have email there. I need to double check, but this is how you import all your contacts into Salesforce.
Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today.
Hey, if you're watching this and you like what you see, please hit subscribe and hit the bell, because it helps us grow our channel.